Fresh filters, obsessively engineered to provide you with clean water. Use this installation video along with your replacement manual to change your ACSmith Clarium filter. Replacing your filter is easy. Read your replacement manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. First, remove your dispenser from the filtration dock. Rotate the top cover counterclockwise to open and remove the old cartridge. Drop your new filter into the opening on the dock with the O-rings facing up. Push the reset button on the top of the dock with a small pen or paper clip. Next, you'll place the top cover on the dock. Press firmly and rotate the top cover a quarter turn clockwise until fully locked in. Fill the dispenser with tap water. Place the dispenser back on the dock. Flush the system for one full cycle before drinking. Just like that, you're done. Time to enjoy clean, filtered water.